anticipated events in Jamaica being only 3 days away, fans flock from all over the world to the land of food and water with hopes of being one of the first to hear the voice of the Gargamel, BUJU BANTON, since his release. BUJU BANTON's Long Walk to Freedom tour very first concert is slated to be this Saturday, March 16th at the National Stadium.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
One of the most highly anticipated concerts in the country, and not just Jamaica, is just 3 days away. BUJU BANTON's Long Walk to Freedom concert is at the National Stadium this Saturday, with gates opening at 4 p.m.
And just to give a quick rundown on some of the confirmed entertainers scheduled to perform on Saturday night, agent Sasco makes the cut. So at least we know what we can expect from Agent Sasco come Saturday. Another awesome entertainer who will be performing on Saturday is Chronixx.
Their faces and the bloodshed on their shoulders. Turn from your sinful ways before lightning strike all over.
And without doubt, BUJU BANTON's very close friend will be there as well, beres, hammon.
Here we go again.
So yes people, the lineup look like it is a very good one. BUJU BANTON himself a perform, beres, hammon, which is a legend, Chronixx and Agent Sasco plus many more people. We are going to get where money's worth. So people, we get to speak with one of the organizers of the event from Solid Agency. His name is Marlon Burke. Yes, so Marlon Burke explained some of the road closures on Saturday night due to the event. So make we listen to what Marlon Burke had to say.
Mountain View, the intersection of Deanery Road and Mountain View is going to be closed. The intersection of Mountain View and Arthurwin Drive will be closed, as well as the intersection of Stanton Terrace and Roosevelt, Old Hope Road and Latham Avenue, North Avenue and Old Hope Road, and Tom Redcom and Arthurwin Drive.
So almost everything around the stadium will be
pretty much. It's kind of locking it down. We don't really want a lot of vehicles getting there to jam up the place. We anticipate a lot of pedestrians trying to use the roadways as well. So it's going to be a limited amount of vehicles that will be granting access to these roads. The road will, however, be open to emergency vehicles and residents of the area.
So on here for yourself, so if you are planning for drive to the show Saturday night, boy, just know say you might run into some problems if you drive on one of them road there. Alright, so try to avoid those roads that will be closed. Alright people, so people, as you can hear now, Saturday night are gonna be a crazy mad night. Yo, the event are gonna be awesome because there's a major good lineup behind it. And as I say, Marlon is a part of Solid Agency, right, which is, you know, the major people who are pull the strings behind a BUJU concert. Alright, so make we hear some more of what Marlon had to say as it pertains to his team coming up with this show.
So, you know, so as some people say, one of the biggest reggae shows in Jamaica's history. Together.
In history?
In Jamaica's history. I'm not that old, so I'll try to keep it correct.
Keep it correct.
But yeah, I mean, it's gonna be an enormous event. We'll have people coming from all over the world for the show.
We know this.
Taiwan, Japan, Australia, you name it. Some places where I've never heard of before, they're coming for BUJU. And I remember traveling in Europe years ago, and everywhere I'd go, I'd always see these free BUJU flags at all the concerts, at all the venues, and these people have been waiting, and these people are coming.
Right.
And some of them are already here and just waiting to get to the show.
Now for all who don't purchase them Buju ticket, like myself, don't know say yo, when the ticket them go on sale in no time, them sell off just like that, you understand? So Marlon was asked if there are any more tickets because as I said, them sell off in no time, and this was Marlon's response.
I mean, there are tickets available, mainly through our sponsors. So they have their promotions running and they're having giveaways and stuff like that. So, I mean, we said the venue is pretty much sold out. We have tickets available for bleachers still in stores. But pretty much anything else that you need would probably have to come through some promotion.
Some kind of promotion.
I know, and I think Digital has a few grandstands that became available to them. We moved some tickets from overseas and reconciled with everybody and have a little bit left. So Digital has some grandstand tickets, I know for sure. But outside of the bleachers and grandstand, only through promotions.
Right. And the bleachers tickets are $4,000, so people
Right.
might still be able to get those.
Right.
So if you don't buy a ticket yet, go and go check some of the sponsors them. You know, you might get lucky enough to get cop a ticket. Alright? Now, if you want to know a little bit more about the lineup, because I don't give you a little rundown already. I don't tell you agent Sasco, I don't tell you chronixx, I don't tell you beres. Alright, so Marlon I'm going to give you a little bit more details on who all are going to be on the lineup. Because, trust me people, as I tell you already, you're going to get your money's worth.
Okay, so you have some of Buju's friends performing, and you know, you have like Ghost, you have Lost, you have Cockatee. So those people can cater to the older crowd. You have the younger acts, Sasco, Romain, Chronixx. You know, these guys now will reach to the younger audience, and I think we'll have a good show. My father can watch it, you know. I'm saying my father is gonna be there, you know, up front and center. And my little son, he's 9. He's dying to be there too.
Well, right?
So I mean, yeah, it will be a good show.
Now we know a lot of people may be concerned about them safety at such a, you know, a crowded event where a whole heap of people are going there. You understand? And there has been events in the past where it not go too well because of lacking security. But one thing the organizers make sure to stress on is how serious them take your safety at this event. So they make sure so them go out and them do all them can do to get the necessary security that is needed.
Okay, so I mean, we've been working at this for about 3 months with the JCF and our private security firms. We've been going at it. We've been meeting every week, and we have a plan in action that, I mean, you know, it has government agencies backing from all different angles. We've been through it rigorously, and we believe that, yeah.
So people can feel assured that it will be
man.
safe.
I mean, we also want people to come out early. Those who don't have the requisite parking passes to use the park and ride, get dropped off at your entry point, enter quickly, and you'll be fine.
Minimize the number of cars in the venue.
Right. I mean, I don't plan to even drive. I don't even plan to drive there. I've been practicing my route, you know. And taxi to here and drop off and walk. I mean, it's simple.
So just a quick flashback, if you haven't gotten your ticket as yet, you can go check some of the sponsors. They may just have some tickets available for Buju's concert on Saturday night, Long Walk to Freedom. Also, remember, if you plan to drive, just remember that a few roads will be closed on Saturday night and only access will be granted to emergency vehicles or residents of nearby communities. Alright, so viewers, subscribers, as me say, if you don't get your ticket yet, go and get it because BUJU Banton's concert is going to be crazy this weekend. You understand? So wherever in the world you come from, where you fly down to Jamaica to go watch BUJU Banton concert, safe trip to you. Or if you're already there at Jamaica and just wait for Saturday to come, go and eat up some ackee and saltfish and full joy, my island, Jamaica. You understand what I say, peeps? Watch your man, viewers, subscribers. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe, because after all, this is the channel where you come to forget all your latest updates on important information. You understand? So watch out, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you, because what? We're unstoppable. I know the usual already. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.